Hello, Niagara-on-the-Lake. Betty Disero here. I just want to give you a couple of updates now that we're leading into Thanksgiving weekend. First of all, I want to thank all the volunteers that assisted with the tulip sale for this year. As you know, we had to change it from sale in the spring to sale in the fall. We managed to raise $1,700 or so for the town tree fund, and we're grateful for that. But we also gave Newark neighbors 35 dozen tulips for the packages that are going out to families, so they have something to plant as well on Thanksgiving weekend. And we gave to the Shaw for their gardens and to the museum. So hopefully we'll see red and yellow tulips out at the Shaw Theatre and at the museum this spring too. So thank you everyone that took part in allowing or creating this event with us. I want to thank people that came to get tulip bulbs for their gardens. I'm sure you will be very happy with the results next spring. But I also want to thank them for driving through, or if they didn't drive through, for keeping social distance as well as wearing masks. For those of you that bought, have fun this Thanksgiving weekend planting those bulbs. And while we're on the topic of Thanksgiving, I just want to wish everyone in Niagara-on-the-Lake a good Thanksgiving weekend. Just want to tell you a little bit more about where we're at with respect to rules and regulations. As you know, the province guides us and regulates us in terms of numbers. And what we've been told a couple of weeks ago, because of the increase in the numbers of COVID, I think the province fluctuates between 500 and 700 new cases per day in certain hotspots. And Niagara region is now experiencing over the last few days double digits. Although they're low, it's still an increase in what we were getting during the summer months. So while I wish you a very happy Thanksgiving, I still want you to be cautious and follow the provincial rules of no more than 10 people inside or 25 outside. Please, if you are bringing people inside or out, whenever you can, as you can, continue to wear a mask just in case there is any opportunity for spread. Continue to have good hand hygiene. Spritz a little sanitizer on your hand whenever you can, and make sure when you go indoors that you actually wash your hands. The Premier this week said what we need to be doing now is thinking of immediate family and people that you live with in your household as your new social bubble. And if you are living alone, find a family and join that as a social bubble. I know this weekend in my house we'll be celebrating with myself, Dan, and my mother. So there'll be 3 of us this Thanksgiving. But we will be doing FaceTiming with my brother in out near Brantford, and with my other brother, Tim, who lives in Kelowna, BC. So we'll be doing a lot of FaceTiming this weekend and probably sharing stories of what's happening in those locations and with us, and laughing a lot, I'm sure. So I hope all of you a lot of good feelings this Thanksgiving, sharing it either together or virtually with your family. And I want you to, I'm going to say it one more time because we can't say it enough, keep a distance, have a hockey stick between you and the next person. If you can't keep your distance, and even as a special precaution, please wear a mask and maintain good hand hygiene. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone in Niagara-on-the-Lake. I wish you all the best.